All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to do another unboxing. Something came in the mail today. I don't know what it is, but we're going to open it up and we're going to find out. Ooh. Let's see what we got. Let's see what Stingray Johnny got today. Okay. All right. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? What do you think we've got today? Anything good? Oh. We got a lot of stuff today. Look what we got to go through. All right. Let's go through it. Let's go through it a little bit at a time here. So, now, I want to tell you something. Here, hold on. I bought some T-Jet bodies. But they're not going on T-Jets. I will show you what I'm going to do with them. So I got this yellow Nova, and I want to build some cars for the oval, like kind of like sportsman class cars. So now I have to. Whoops! Shoot! I just dropped my car on the floor. Oh. Okay, I have to take these posts out, I think, to make this fit right. And I'm going to cut out the wheel wells so I can lower it. Like, you know, like you'd see a stock car look, you know, old like 70s stock car. But it's going to fit perfectly on there. As you can see, it does fit. It fits right in there. And what I'll do is, because there's a hole right here, I will put a post right back here, and then glue it in with super glue. Scuff it up first. You scuff up in here, and you scuff up the top of the post. I have these posts with a flat top on it. But can you imagine once I lower that and put that body on there? That's going to be really cool. So that's one of them. What else we got? What else do we have? Okay, well, we got another Nova. So this is the other Nova. I'm going to do the same thing on this one. I got a bunch of G Plus cars, the slim G Plus cars, and you know, again, we're gonna lower it. You know, we're gonna get it lower. We're gonna just cut out those wheel wells. So that's the red Nova. Didn't even really show it to you. Okay, what else we got? Okay, here's another one. This is not a Nova, though. Not a Nova this time. I think these are cool. All right, this is a 59 Impala. Flat black. This is really cool. All right, now, can you imagine if I lower this car? If I cut out the wheel wells and lower it, how cool that is going to look on there. That is going to be incredible. And I'm going to do that. What else we got? Okay, the next body I am going to put on a T-Jet. I bought two of them. This is going to go on a T-Jet. Chaparral Camaro. And I actually, like I said, I have two of them. So, yeah, I'll be putting those on a couple of T-Jets. Those are cool. I like Camaros. Okay, we got one more body. And I don't know if anything else is interesting enough to show you in there, but we'll see. We'll see what else. I can't remember what I ordered. I know I ordered a bunch of stuff. Okay. So this is another T-Jet. They're all T-Jet bodies. This one is another Camaro, and again, I'm going to lower it. Wow. I almost don't even have to lower that. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I may not lower that one. Maybe I'll just leave it alone. I probably will, honestly, but these fit so nice, you know, on these cars, and all you got to do is put a post. It's amazing that AFX put that hole and it's a recessed hole for a screw. Because I don't think they ever actually mounted any cars like that on G Pluses, but yet the hole was there. So So that's going to be another one that I'm going to do. Let me see if there's anything else in here. I don't think there's anything else that's really exciting. No, just a few things. I will show you just simply so you don't go through your whole day saying, "Oh my God, I wish I knew what was in that package besides those bodies." So I got a Johnny Lightning chassis because one of my Johnny Lightning chassis was not quite in the condition that I wanted in. This one's looks good. I mean, it's brand new. And I got some AFX style axles. And I think that's it. That's it for today. Thank you for stopping by. You know what? Leave a like if in the comments and tell me which body you like the best. I think this one's honestly going to be the toughest looking on a G Plus car. Can you imagine that? Also, please subscribe to the channel if you can. I could really use your help with that, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.